Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share project on the CapCut PC. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So for example, we have this CapCut project done and I want to share it with some other people so they will do something else with it, or just simply see it in the CapCut. So basically, to share our project, first of all, we need to download the latest version of CapCut, and here in the top right corner, we need to find the button Share. So simply click on this button, and now we will need to sign into our CapCut account. So if you are not logged into your account, here in this space, you will have an option to sign in. And here you will need to choose your space. So space is basically where this video will be uploaded in the cloud. In my case, it will be this space. You can create your own. You can name your project, so it will be more convenient to find if you want. The resolution, every single setting here you can also change, but then you need to click on the export and share. Now it is exporting and uploading to the cloud. As you can see, we just need to wait a little bit until the download is finished. As you can see, it is finished, and now we need to wait. Yeah, and that's the window we need. So share by link. It is set to share by link. So if we copy this link, clicking on this button, it says everyone with the link can open this project. We can change these settings. We can change it to only members of the space can open the link, but I will just simply choose everyone and anyone can open the link. So simply copy the link and send it to the person you want to share a project with. And basically that is it. That is how you can share a project on a CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.